Ukrainian units has undertaken another attempt to infiltrate the Russian border. Intense fighting took place near Novaya Tavolzhanka. The enemy was kicked back from the state border. At the same time, the AFU continued to launch artillery strikes on the border settlements of Belgorod region. The most difficult situation remains in Shebekino district, where 2 civilians have been killed and 2 more wounded in recent days. In the Kup'yans'k sector, Russian troops continue to push the enemy to the south and northeast of Dvorichna. Assault groups crossed the Oskil River and established control over Novomlyns'k, creating another bridgehead on the west bank. In Marinka, Russian units were able to advance in low-rise buildings. At the same time, the AFU is conducting counterattacks to the south of the city. At the moment, fighting continues in the sector. Near Vuhledar, the enemy tried to attack the positions of Russian troops at Mykylske and Pavlivka. The gunners delivered targeted strikes on the advancing forces, forcing the Ukrainian units to retreat. To the west, in Vremivka salient, the AFU assault groups were able to occupy several fortified areas at the cost of high losses. As a result of retaliatory artillery and airstrikes, the enemy lost at least 8 armored vehicles. In Zaporizhia direction, Ukrainian units went on the offensive to the southeast of Mala Tokmachka. Russian units successfully restrained the AFU onslaught, not allowing the attackers to break deep through their positions. At the same time, the enemy again struck at the settlements of Zaporizhia region. In Berdyansk and Melitopol, the missiles were intercepted by air defense systems, but 3 people received shrapnel wounds. The AFU have once again used drones to attack Russian facilities in Crimea. As a result of the active work of electronic warfare units and air defense units, all drones were neutralized.